Hey guys, this side dish gives me all the feels of New England, the sweet, the savory, the tart, and it's so easy to make, guys, that you just have to eyeball certain things, so you're going to be in charge. This side dish is a sauteed cabbage with carrots and apples, and we've got some simple ingredients you can find locally. So for the recipe, head on over to kcknh.com, find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. You're coming inside after doing all kinds of crazy shoveling. We got some crazy temperatures here in New England. And of course, when you're coming in, you want to thaw. You're looking forward to a comfort meal. You want it to warm you up from the inside out. This side dish is easy to make and it's going to solve that problem. So we're talking very simple ingredients, guys. You don't even really need a recipe for this. You just need to trust your palate. But you can find everything at your local store, easy to do, and to be truthful with you, when you walk in your home, the smells are freaking amazing. And it goes very well with fatty meats, barbecue, smoked foods, and to be very truthful with you, this is a great side dish that you could even have all on its own. I love red cabbage. Some people say purple cabbage, doesn't matter. We want to make sure we take the core out. And we're just basically doing wedge cuts. We don't want them honking huge. Just like with the carrots, we want to keep them as uniform cuts as possible. We don't want them too big, we don't want them too small. And apples, I love working with galas or pink ladies with this. It offers just enough sweetness and it holds up quite well in a hot pan. Now, we want to do a separate bowl with the rest of our marination. We're actually having a little bit of fun with some maple syrup we got from Vermont. We've got a few other ingredients here, but we want to get those pickling spices to marry into the vinegar solution. And this is definitely going to be one of those, it may come off strong in front of you, but don't let it scare you. Then what you want to do is take your carrots, your cran raisins, and your apples, get it into that solution, let it sit for about 30 minutes. That's going to start marinating, and it's going to be beautiful as the flavors all come together. Now, into a hot saute pan, just a little bit of olive oil, not a lot. You're going to start browning up the cabbage. We want a little Maillard reaction happening here. You can see these beautiful brownie bits forming. And it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. And once you remove that from the pan, now you're going to start cooking your carrots and apples. Keep the solution in there. You're going to add about a knob of butter to this pan. It's going to start to thicken. And that's when you bring that cabbage back to the pan and saute all together. Now you'll see how bright the colors are. That's thanks to the fresh lemon that we've put in here. And it just brings that vibrancy to the plate. Absolutely beautiful. And the smells, the aromas are going to drive you insane, guys. We did this with a barbecue pork shoulder. And to be very honest with you, this side dish works great with your fatty meats. So let me know if you've tried the recipe. Have yourself a good time, and thank you so much for watching.